so good. 3 date night fragrances that won't break the bank. Let's jump into it. What's up, my friends? I want to hop on here to remind you to like and subscribe to our channel because we do giveaways every month, and the way for you to qualify is by being a subscriber. Also, watch our videos all the way through. That way you know when it is and what in fact we're giving away. Let's get back to the video. My friends, I am super excited about all 3 fragrances on our list because 1, they're extremely affordable. 2, they're unisex, so they're for both men and women. And I can't wait to show you the number 1 on our list. It's gonna be towards the end of the video. The bottle looks amazing and the fragrance is just fantastic. So we're gonna jump into number 3 on our list. And this one, my friends, is a beautiful fragrance that I've been getting compliments on for such a long time. It is a beautiful, smooth, sweet gourmand scent that really peaks at the top of my list anytime that I'm thinking of my fragrance to wear on the next date night with my wife. And it's none other than Cream Velvet by the company Côte Lodge. This fragrance is beautiful, it's luxurious, it is so smooth and intoxicating that anybody that you're around is gonna fall in love with it. It is a super, super awesome fragrance. I absolutely adore it. Woo! It's so good. I love this fragrance so much. It is beautiful, it is smooth, and it definitely garners me compliments. It is bright and smooth and sweet and really captivates anybody that is within a 6 to 7 foot proximity of where you're at. If you're looking to get compliments on your next date night, this one is definitely one to do it with. We're gonna put the fragrance notes right here up on the screen. When it comes to Cream Velvet by Côte Lodge, it has top notes of caramel and butter. The most prominent in that top end is definitely the caramel, but you could definitely get a sense of that butter that just glides right in there on the top end. And then middle notes of tonka, honey, and jasmine. Could definitely get a little bit of the honey in the middle, and then base notes of vanilla, amber, and musk. I'd say the most prominent notes within this entire body of work are the caramel, the honey, and the vanilla, all synergistically come together to make such a captivating fragrance that is so suitable for any date night, whether you're a man or a woman. Projection wise, it is fantastic. Longevity through the roof. It'll last you all day. I do about 4 to 6 sprays per day, and it lasts me about 6 to 8 hours. It is fantastic, my friends. And the bottle just looks so sleek and luxurious. I don't know if you can see this right now, but it is a top-notch fragrance. This is definitely one that is going to be at the top of my list for a very long time. It is an affordable fragrance, so anybody can really get their hands on it. Now, my friends, the number 2 fragrance on our list is in fact an Angel Share by Kilian fragrance clone. It is definitely inspired by that, but it's not completely identical. It does have its subtle nuances when it comes to the top, middle, and bottom end. It is a beautiful projecting fragrance, and it is none other than the Angels of Heaven. It is a beautiful fragrance. I absolutely love this body of work. It is by the house of Rasala. It is fantastic. I believe this is a Middle Eastern fragrance, and the beautiful part about it is it's not going to break the bank. It is fantastic, my friends. If you love Angel Share by Kilian, you're going to fall in love with this one, especially if you're a woman. I do think that this one leans slightly towards the feminine side, but I wear it and I get compliments all the time. My wife loves this one on me. I love this one on my wife, and it definitely garners me compliments anywhere that I go. This is a beautiful fragrance. Let's give it a little whiff. Woo! So good, my friends. It definitely does smell like an Angel Share. It's a fantastic fragrance. I'd say projection wise, it's a good 7 out of 10. It definitely can be better when it comes to projection. Longevity, it'll pretty much last you all day. I do about 6 to 9 sprays and it lasts throughout the day without me having to reapply. Proximity score, they have to be within like a 3 to 5 foot radius of where you're at in order to smell it. But once they get their nose on it, they're gonna fall in love because it is so beautiful, my friends. You're going to want to pick this one up. And the beautiful part about it is it's so affordable, so anybody can really get it. We're going to put the notes right here up on the screen and unpack those. So this one has top notes of bergamot, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and then middle notes of tuberose, praline, and dates. I think the dates and the praline really stand out in this one. You do get strong senses of the cinnamon as well, so it's a bit spicy. And then base notes of amberwood, vanilla, benzoin, myrrh, and tonka. Definitely the vanilla stands out so much in this one. You get tonka, you get a little bit of the bergamot and cinnamon and praline. It is a manufactured masterpiece that is going to garner you compliments and attention anywhere that you go. This one is on the lower end when it comes to projection, which is not a bad thing, because when you're taking your significant other out out on a date, you're going to want them to draw in close to you, and the closer they get, the more they'll be able to smell this one because the more prominent it is on your skin. This is a beautiful fragrance by the House of Rosala and definitely worthy of number 2 for our date night fragrances that won't break the bank. Finally, folks, the one that I've been waiting to share with you is a fantastic fragrance. I absolutely love the packaging on this, and I love the display on the top end of this fragrance. This one is a beautiful, and it kind of reminds me of the treasure in Indiana Jones because of how it looks. It looks beautiful, it's luxurious, it's for both men and women, and it's gonna garner you compliments anywhere that you go, and it's a perfect fragrance, especially if you're going on a date with your significant other. It is fantastic, it is luxurious, and it is top-notch, which is why it is number 1 on our list, and it's none other than the Afif. This is a beautiful, legendary fragrance that everybody needs to add to the collection. Just look at how beautiful the packaging is, my friends. It's got some peacocks on the top end that really bring out the beauty of this fragrance packaging. It is fantastic. It's one that I love to display on the shelf, and it is definitely a talking piece. When anybody comes over to my house and views my collection, they want to talk about this one. They want to hold this one. They want to take this one home, and I don't blame them because this fragrance is ridiculously amazing. It is so good that anybody can get away with this. If you're anybody, you're gonna get compliments when you put this bad boy on. Just look at how it comes off. Afif is a fantastic fragrance. It is beautiful. Woo! So good. This peacock fragrance is fantastic. I love it so much. It is a perfect fragrance, especially for date night. It's good for any occasion other than date night as well. It is so bright on the opening. Definitely does lean a little bit feminine when it comes to the top end, but I think as it cozies down towards the middle and the base, you do get some masculine notes that come out of there. So let's unpack the fragrance DNA of Afif right here. This fragrance has top notes of peach, pink pepper, and bergamot, and then middle notes of tuberose, orange blossom, and jasmine, and then base notes of sandalwood, praline, amber, and patchouli. As it gets closer to the middle and bottom notes, you do get a little bit more of those masculine notes, but towards the top, it is definitely feminine. But men, don't get it twisted. Trust me, wear this one, live it down. Make sure you reach the dry down because you're gonna fall in love with it as the day progresses. It is beautiful, it is wondrous, it is captivating, seductive, and the beautiful part about it, my friends, is you're not gonna break the bank, not even come close. So anybody can buy this. It is attainable to the regular average person. It is a fantastic fragrance. Therefore, it ranks number 1 on our list of date night fragrances that won't break the bank. My friends, make sure to pick this one up. I am not even kidding you. Whenever I wear this one, my wife loves it so much. She adores this fragrance. And anytime she wears this one, I love it so much. It smells so good on her. It is a great unisex fragrance. So my friends, my men out there, if you're looking for a good date night fragrance to buy your wife, this is a good one to do. This is a good one to buy right here, my friends. And women, if you're looking for a good date night fragrance to buy your man, this is a go-to piece that you need to pick up. It is a staple in my collection, and it definitely gets the attention of my guests that come into my fragrance studio. All they want to do is talk about it. This is a masterpiece, a treasure to have. So make sure to pick this one up. My friends, there you have it, all 3 date night fragrances that won't break the bank. I hope that this video met your expectations and brought value to your life. Once again, my friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because we do giveaways every month like I mentioned earlier, so make sure to do that. Also, watch this video right here if you want to learn about 3 fragrances that can be your signature scent. This is a great video to help you out with that. Once again, my friends, my name is Drew de Parfum. I'm grateful and honored and blessed to get to be your host today. I hope that you got time to spend with the Lord this morning, but we'll see you next time.